Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Learn the Lingo. The lingo today is a phrase as much as it is a definition, an explanation of a phrase. And it's the 70% rule when it comes to purchasing rental property or flips. And the 70% rule is based off of the ARV, or after repaired value. How do you find the after repaired value? There's multiple services that can help you do that. We use HomeInvestorTool.com. You go in there, you type in the address of your subject property, and in about 15 seconds, it will tell you what the after repaired value is based off of comparable sales, finding out what every other house just like your subject property has sold for. But once you have the ARV, and let's say we'll use $100,000 to make the numbers easy. If the ARV is $100,000, then you want to buy that house and rehab it for $70,000 or less. $70,000 or less, 70%. So if you can buy the house for $50,000 and it needs $20,000 in repairs, there's the 70%. And of course, if you're at a $1 million house, you don't want to go above $700,000. Now, this is a rule, and occasionally there are exceptions. The one I just named, or used as an example, a $1 million house, listen, if I can get that thing at 80 cents on the dollar and I can make 200 grand, I'm gonna do it. But on the lower end houses, 500,000 and below, you really wanna be at that 70% or below. So, whenever you're looking at a house, the first thing you wanna do, go to Home Investor Tool or something like it, HomeInvestorTool.com, run the comps, find out the ARV, and your offer should be based off of a written bid. You get a written bid from a contractor for the repairs, no guessing on the repairs, none, ever. $20,000 for repairs, then you know your offer has to be $50,000 or below. That's the 70% rule. Thanks for watching.